Right. Translate the following into an algebraic equation. The volume of a cylinder is equal to, the volume of a cylinder. Well, I'm going to use V for that. Oh, it says right here, let V represent the volume. We have V is equal to 2/3 of its height. Height is represented by H. That's what it says. It says right there. V for volume, D for diameter, and H for height. 2/3 of its height is the same thing as 2/3 times height. And this is times pi. Pi being, approximately 3.14. And times the square of its diameter. So we have the diameter, and then its square is just going to be, you just square it. So you can rearrange this so that the constants are out in front. H times diameter squared. That's just the way we typically do it in mathematics. Is we have the numbers in front and the variables, the H and D are variables, out in the back of the term. So we have V equals 2/3. Pi is down here times H D to the power of 2. And that's correct. Okay, 270 meter wire is cut into 3 pieces. The second piece, I'm just gonna draw this like wire here. I'll just make a straight line for it. Okay, it's cut into 3 pieces. Now they're not equal because the second piece is 2 times as long as the first, and the third is 3 times as long as the second. So the first piece is like this, the second piece is like this, and then the last piece is 3 times as long. So not going to help because I drew it all in line. So that's approximately the first and the second. And then it's going to be, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be like that. This is the first piece, the second piece, and the third piece. Okay, how long is each piece? So the first piece is going to be cut a certain length, right? Let's say it's going to be cut X length. Now the second piece says it's 2 times, or same thing as twice, as long as the first. So if the first is X, the second is going to be 2X. The third is 3 times as long as the second. So it's going to be 3 times the second, which is 2X, making this 6X. And of course, if we add X plus 2X plus 6X, that's the whole length of the wire, which is 270 meters. Now we just need to solve for X. But of course, these are all like terms. We have 1X plus 2X, which is 3X, plus 6, which is 9X. 270. Divide out 9. And we get X equal to, it's going to be 30 meters. So X is 30, so that's going to be 30. 2 times 30 is 60 meters. And 6 times 30 is 180 meters. That's the three lengths there. 30, 60, and 180. First should be 30. Second should be 60. And the last 180. If you add these up, you'll see that you get 270.